Hello everyone, I am Nilesh Kaluwala. If you are using a high-capacity 25 LPH under-sink RO system, regular maintenance is essential for ensuring consistent water quality and long-lasting performance. Today we are taking a closer look at the AMPEREUS 3-piece filter set. Standard filters often struggle to handle the high water flow of 25 LPH systems. When pre-filters become ineffective, the RO membrane can start clogging, which may affect both filtration efficiency and water taste. PP Spun filter 5 micron. This filter is made from food-grade virgin polypropylene material. It acts as the first line of defense by trapping dust, sand, rust, and scale particles before they reach the internal components of the RO system. GAC filter granular activated carbon. The GAC filter is designed to improve water quality by reducing chlorine, unpleasant odors, and harmful organic impurities such as pesticides. It helps eliminate the typical chlorine smell and enhances the overall taste of the water. CTO filter carbon block. The CTO carbon block filter provides deeper purification with extended water contact time. It effectively removes fine particles, residual impurities, and unwanted taste, delivering cleaner and fresher drinking water. These are standard 10-inch filter cartridges and are compatible with most under-sink RO systems. For optimal performance, it is recommended to replace the filters every 3 to 6 months. Users of UTS models may also require a housing spanner for easy installation and maintenance. Do not wait for your RO system to lose efficiency before replacing the filters. The AMPEREUS 3-piece filter kit offers a reliable and budget-friendly solution to maintain safe and clean drinking water. You can check out the AMPEREUS kit on Amazon in or Moglix. Like and subscribe for more helpful maintenance tips and product updates.